So if you want to fix your Bosch washing machine and if it has that error code, the E35, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So first, what does the E35 mean here? Now, the E35 usually means the washer thinks it's overfilled with water. Now, the machine locks the door and stops to prevent flooding. Now, it's a safety response here, not random failure. Now, what do you need to do? Well, first things first is you may want to turn the washer off and unplug it. Now, power the washer off, then unplug it from the wall. This immediately stops water intake and resets the control board so it doesn't keep the error active. Now, you want to go and just close the cold and hot water valves behind the washer. If the washer keeps flowing, if the water keeps flowing in, the error won't clear, no matter how many resets you try doing here. Now, if there's water inside, you want to open the lower front panel here and slowly drain using the emergency drain hose or pump filter. Now, once the water levels drop here, the washer can unlock and recover. Now, inside the machine, E35 is commonly triggered by a blocked pressure switch hose. So if soap, residue, or debris clogs it, the washer faulty thinks it's overfilled. So this usually needs cleaning or inspection. Now, also, you may want to turn everything back on and start testing it. So you want to plug the washer back in, turn the washer valves on, start a short rinse cycle. If it feels normally and runs without stopping, the error is cleared, so you don't have to worry about anything. Now, if the error keeps coming back though, the most common causes are either a stuck water inlet valve or a faulty pressure switch. So at that point, professional service is the safest option here and to also avoid further damage. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.